30 years later. Okay, folks, we are now going to hear from co-founder and CEO of Cabrico Designs, Eric Kaur, who's going to be sharing how his company has secured 2 major wins, 1 trophy, 2 trophy at the National Craft Product Quality Showcase, Best Souvenir Product, Best Corporate Gift that represents brand Jamaica. Those are some fantastic honors and accolades. So, Eric, congratulations to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Company is about 10 years old, but you've been using your hands like this for about 20.
Yes.
Starting from your days in class.
Yes, I've always loved woodworking from high school.
Yeah?
Yeah. And, you know, from making my first map, Jamaican map.
The 99% map. Yeah?
I've never stopped loving the craft. So it's always a dream of me to actually start doing it as a business. Mm-hmm. So
what was it called? What was your fascination? Is there somebody in your family who was doing it before, or?
Well, I just like the craft. Well, you know, my father, he did the carpentry side of it. That was on the housing aspect of it.
Okay, so your father was handy too.
Right. So seeing him do the hands-on thing, but I'd like more refined things. Mm-hmm. So I'd...
Look at you. Daddy, you don't mean it. More refined. Okay, so 10 years ago you said this is it. How did you kind of ideate as to what kind of products you wanted to see for Cabrico?
Well, it all started out when we got married and we were in a quad. And the space was so small. And I wanted it to feel comfortable but not cluttered.
Right.
It was difficult to get pieces to fit in the space. So that kind of pushed me to start to make things more. So
that's usually where the best ideas come from.
Yeah,
sort of need and niche. And you say we because Cabrico is actually like an acronym. Well, it's not an acronym. It's what do you call that one where you put all the initials together? So the KA is for?
From Kia, my wife.
That's your wife. And then the BRE
is from Brianna, my daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And the CO is
the core.
The core of the family.
And core as in CORE, but also the core as in what's holding it together.
Yes.
Love that for you. Tell me about the pieces that won the awards. Which ones did you have them here?
So here we have the best corporate gift.
Okay, can I borrow that? Okay, here we go. Is this a real cactus?
Yeah, it's a real cactus.
Oh gosh, Eric, I was saying I would love this, but I'm going to kill the cactus. I kill cactus.
No, I guess what happened with persons that they tend to overwater it.
Ah.
Right.
Right, so you put your pens, your fancy pens in here, so? Mm-hmm. And what goes in here?
So big markers, so.
And this is for your...
You can put business cards, you can also host a phone.
Very nice. And this is solid?
Solid. It's made from one solid block of wood.
Mm-hmm. You did this yourself?
I did it myself.
You did it yourself?
Did it myself.
Do you do everything yourself?
Yes. Do everything myself.
Every piece yourself?
Every piece. But there are times to time when I bring in persons to help to do the mass production.
Yeah, because I can imagine.
Yes.
So this was the best corporate gift.
This is the best
and of course you can get your logo on it or you...
You can always personalize. Everything that we do it in the mind of personalization as well.
Excellent. Okay, and what else? What's the other one? So best corporate gift is that one. And best souvenir winner?
It's right in front of
this one?
Yes.
Oh. Let me tell you something about Jamaican people. We're a coastal country. It doesn't matter what year it is. You will always find a set of these in a Jamaican's home. And this has the map on all of them? Or you have different?
No, it has the map on all of them. And if you realize what is hosting the coaster also.
Is a liquor hand card.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, this is really nice. And so well done, Sir Eric. Like, I'm looking at I'm taking it apart now, but all these little pieces, but it's so well. Like, how long would a piece like this take you to do? And you're not trained? This is all gift?
It's all gifted. It's something that I've sit down and studied and just, learn the trade.
This is so impressive. Fantastic. And so you won $300,000 out of the awards, but how does that award now help to kind of market and spread the name of the company as best in class in this particular area?
So this is for us validation that the work that we've been doing is good work.
Yeah, onto something. Yes, love that. Boy, I tell you, they say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. That's not quite true.
Not quite true.
Because that's when the work is really difficult. But man, when you start to get the recognition
for it.
Yeah.
Is like you're saying, yes.
Yeah, better than money. Better than money. So you have other items. I see you gearing up for Mother's Day and
So we
Father's
have
Day.
these for Mother's Day coming up and Father's Day, as well as some other key rings here.
Key rings. It says, Daddy, my hero. This one is mine. It says, dream big, work hard, stay focused. This one says, make today great. You can customize them as well?
We can customize them.
Okay, fantastic.
As I say, everything we customize.
Progress, not perfection. Eric, you have some pieces on here that really are speaking to me. Little kitty here. So 10 years in, how has business been going, or has this given you like another boost?
It has given us another boost. It is just saying to people that, we're here to stay, and we're putting out quality products. And it is being recognized as such.
Yeah. Okay, so where next? Where next? Now you're serving corporate clients and individuals?
Yes.
What's the end goal?
So the end goal is to really have this accessory store that is number one in the Caribbean.
Storefront?
Storefront.
Are you online now?
So we're online on Instagram. You can see us at Cabrica Designs. Just put in Cabrica Design and see us on Instagram.
Play smart, avoid the 6. We don't have to ask about this. This is
That's
straight
it.
domino, domino. Play domino. These are good gifts for diasporans as well, sir.
Yes.
So if you're watching and you're outside Jamaica and you want to, do you service anybody outside Jamaica now?
Not as yet, but that is a plan too.
Part of the plan. For the people who need things in their kitchen who cannot cook, like not for real, then there are some products here for you as well. All right, tell us where we find you now, Eric.
So you can find us on Instagram at Cabrica Designs, also at www.cabricadesigns.com.
Yeah, and then on the website we can see the range of your offerings.
Can see the range, but as usual, the Instagram will show you more recent stuff as we upgrade the website.
And you order online?
Order online, you can call us and order. And
Capacity? Quantity?
quantity,
As much as we want?
As much as you want, as long as you have the time to wait.
As long as you have the time to wait. Because quality work, my friends, takes time.
Yes, it takes
And
time.
he's not a cobbler. He's doing this properly. No disrespect to cobblers, because cobblers also do good work. But congratulations to you on following that thing. And
That
here you
passion.
are today.
Here we
Love
are
that
today.
for you. I pray continued growth for your company. Hello, Kea. Hello, Brianna. Brianna. You guys are doing a great work. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yes.
Every success to you. Co-founder and CEO of Cabrica
One
Designs.
thing to highlight
Yes.
is family puzzle here.
Oh, is that what it is?
It is, yes.
Oh,
So it can actually be taken apart. So it is Kea,
oh,
Eric, Brianna, and
Khaleesi.
Khaleesi is the smallest one.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. Me can't pull out nothing. A week, Eric? So 4 pieces put together. 5? 1, 2.
It's 4.
As a family unit. I love that. All right, guys. Life and Style. Eric Core, co-founder and CEO of Cabrica Designs. Take out 1 piece so we can see it now.
Okay.
So this is the daddy. This is mommy.
This is the dad.
Oh, I love that gift. Love.
Then you can put it back.
So this is daddy's name here.
That's daddy's
Mommy's name.
name.
Mommy is the lioness. And the 2 Brianna and Khaleesi. Too cute. Support him, folks. Cabrica Designs is the name of the company. Eric Core, our guests. Take a break on Smile. Come back with more after this. Nicey?